Sliding windows are a popular choice for their clean design, easy operation, and ability to bring in natural light. While appearance and functionality matter, safety is just as important, especially for homeowners who want peace of mind in their living spaces. For homeowners in Washington, choosing sliding windows with the right safety features helps protect the home while maintaining everyday comfort and convenience. Why window safety should be a priority. Windows are one of the most accessible points of a home. If they aren't designed or installed properly, they can become weak spots. Safety-focused sliding windows help reduce risks related to forced entry, accidental openings, and long-term wear. Washington homeowners often look for window solutions that feel secure without making the home feel closed off. Modern sliding windows are designed to meet both needs when the right features are in place. Secure locking mechanisms. One of the most important safety features in sliding windows is the locking system. A strong, reliable lock helps keep the window securely closed when not in use. For Washington homes, look for sliding windows with built-in locks that engage firmly with the frame. These locks help prevent the window from being lifted or slid open from the outside, adding an important layer of security. Reinforced frames for added strength. The frame plays a major role in window safety. Weak or flexible frames can compromise the window's ability to stay secure under pressure. Sliding windows with reinforced frames provide extra strength and stability. Washington homeowners benefit from frames that hold their shape over time and resist forced movement, helping the window remain secure during daily use. Impact-resistant glass options. Glass strength is another key safety consideration. Sliding windows can be equipped with reinforced or layered glass that is more resistant to breakage. For Washington homeowners, stronger glass provides peace of mind by reducing the risk of accidental breakage or intrusion. Even if the glass is struck, reinforced options are designed to stay intact longer than standard glass. Anti-lift features. One common vulnerability with sliding windows is the possibility of lifting the sash out of its track. Anti-lift features are designed to prevent this movement. Washington homeowners should look for sliding windows that include built-in anti-lift systems. These features help keep the window panel securely in place, even when force is applied. Smooth, controlled operation. Safety isn't just about preventing entry, it's also about everyday use. Sliding windows should move smoothly and predictably along their track. In Washington homes, well-designed sliding windows reduce the risk of sudden movement, pinched fingers, or accidental slamming. Controlled operation makes the window safer for all household members. Child-safe design considerations. For households with children, safety features that limit how far a window can open are especially important. Sliding windows can include stops or limiters that restrict opening width. Washington homeowners appreciate features that allow ventilation while reducing the risk of accidental falls or unsafe openings. Durable tracks and hardware. The track system is central to how sliding windows function. Worn or poorly designed tracks can affect both safety and performance. Sliding windows with durable tracks and hardware maintain alignment and reduce the chance of the window coming off track. For Washington homes, this reliability supports long-term safety and ease of use. Proper installation enhances safety. Even the best safety features depend on correct installation. A properly installed sliding window fits securely within the opening and allows all safety components to function as intended. Washington homeowners should prioritize professional installation to ensure locks, frames, and tracks perform at their best. Balancing safety with comfort and style. Modern sliding windows are designed to integrate safety without sacrificing appearance or comfort. Homeowners can enjoy wide views and natural light while still feeling secure. For homeowners in Washington, choosing sliding windows with strong safety features creates a home environment that feels protected, comfortable, and easy to enjoy every day, without compromise.